Hello, welcome today. Today, I'll be showing you a demonstrative video of how to download Osinachi app. All you have to do is go to your browser or on the page. Once you click on download Android application, you click on download application, start loading. You save application or download on your device, depending on which. The downloading will be downloading. Once downloading is done, once the downloading is done, you click on install. The app will start installing. It's not on Google Play Store. So you go to your settings, security, allow access to unknown app, unknown source, application from unknown source. Once you are there, the app is loading, it's coming up. It's loading. Once it's done installing, the interface of the app will open, where you navigate every content. Osinachi in African settings means this come from African gods, just like a gift. And I'm answering to my calling. Once the app finishes installing, you say open. Click on open. The app now launch you within the app. Loading setup image. The app is loading. It's loading to launch. This is me. That's me. My face. That's me. Once the app finishes installing, it starts opening. That's the interface of the app. That's the social media platform I created. The recent social media I created just today. Then here is the video content. Click on the video to load. Here is the video content I uploaded on it. That's how you watch the video content. That's my face. That's my own. It's loading. The video content is loading. It's loading. To start playing. This make it easier. Rather than being on YouTube, you are here on the app. I'll be discussing the reason as the video is playing on the background, making it easy. Than sitting on Facebook, they will filter everything. Your video on YouTube cannot equally play, but here it plays with ease. Then to navigate to other content of the app, you slide, scroll. This is the channel, this is the fan page, this is search engine optimization. You click on channel. Once you click on channel, an ad will run. All you need is just wait for 5 seconds. You skip ad. You do this for other links here, fan page, search engine optimization. Once the link count down, take this as a donation you are doing for the app. You just skip. Once you skip, it now launch you to my channel. As another way to get to the channel, making it easier for you. Once you're on the channel, you click subscribe. If you are not signed in, you sign in. You click subscribe and you will sign into my channel. Then for the fan page, you click fan page. You skip ads again for 5 seconds. Just wait for 5 seconds. This won't harm your phone. Take it as a donation you are doing for me. You just wait. It will count down to 5 seconds. Once the 5 seconds count down, it allows you to skip ad. In most cases, it will allow you to check couch to know whether you are human being. All you need is check the couch. Once you check the couch, you start counting down. Start counting down. It's counting down. It's counting down to 5 seconds. Once it counts down to 5 seconds, all you need now is you skip and you'll be redirected to Facebook. It's loading. To redirect you to Facebook. It's coming up. Now we're on Facebook. It's my Facebook. It's my Facebook page. If you have not liked the fan page, you like the fan page. If you have not logged in, you log in. Once you log in, Facebook now allow you access to like the page and follow the content on the page. This is where I end this tutorial video. It's me again, Benjamin Ibeziako. I'm from Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria. To my Black American family and my African family, I say to you all, one love, one love. Remember, on getting to the YouTube channel, you subscribe. On going to Osinachi, you try to sign up. How to sign up here? You scroll down, you enlarge, you click here, not a member yet, sign up now. As the requirement for your sign up,